Alright guys, this is my 1952 GMC 100 short bed. Just a really cool build. Finished in this Hotrod Flatz dove gray satin finish. Really built head to toe. It's got a front clip on it. It's got a custom back half, QA1 adjustable shocks all the way around, QA1 tubular front suspension. It's got a 5.3 LS with a Holley Terminator stealth fuel management system, Holley fuel tank and fuel pump. 5.3, like I said, 5.3 LS motor. 700 R4 trans, so you got overdrive trans. Custom door panels, custom bomber seats, which are very comfortable, I might add, and gives a lot of leg room. The doors were changed over to the one-piece glass, side glass. All your vitals come up on the screen on the Holley system. Does have a working fuel gauge, all new wiring. Nice sounding exhaust. Power brakes, manual steering. Runs out really good. It's got an 8.8 rear end, 373 Posi. Custom light bar on the rear panel, which is really neat. Just a really cool truck.